The Galaxy S25 series is here, and it's ready to make a massive impact on the smartphone world. As Samsung gears up for its official launch on January 22, rumors and leaks have been pouring in, revealing some exciting new features and design elements. We've already caught a glimpse of the Galaxy S25 Ultra through some early images, and it's safe to say that Samsung is going all in this time. With ultra-thin bezels, a new titanium design, and impressive camera upgrades, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is looking to redefine what a flagship smartphone should be. One of the standout features of the S25 Ultra is the display. With a massive 6.9-inch dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2X panel, you can expect breathtaking visuals with a resolution of 3120 x 1440 and a refresh rate that adapts between 1 Hz and 120 Hz. This means smoother scrolling, more responsive gaming, and energy efficiency when you need it most. The screen is also protected by Corning Gorilla Armor Glass, ensuring durability and a premium feel. But the display isn't the only thing that's impressive. The camera setup on the Galaxy S25 Ultra is poised to be the best yet. With a 200MP main sensor paired with a 50MP ultra-wide, a 10MP 3x optical zoom, and a 50MP 5x optical zoom, this phone is shaping up to be a photographer's dream. Experience the next evolution of Galaxy AI. Unlock a $50 Samsung credit, save up to $1,250, and enter to win $5,000 in Samsung credit. Reserve now by clicking the link in the description, filling out the details, and hitting reserve now. Don't miss this limited time offer. Samsung is taking it up a notch with 8K video recording at 30fps and 4K at 120fps, making this the ultimate device for capturing those crisp, high-quality moments. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is powered by the next-gen Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy chipset built on a 3-in process. This chip is designed to offer blazing fast speeds and efficiency, allowing you to multitask, game, and stream like never before. Combined with up to 16 gigabytes of RAM and up to 1 TB of storage, the performance is sure to be top tier. And if you're worried about battery life, the 5000 mAh battery should provide you with all-day power, plus 45 dual wired charging for a quick top-up. There's also talk of new accessories hitting the market, including cases from brand designed to complement the sleek look of the S25 Ultra. These accessories might even support MagSafe-style charging, hinting at the possibility of a magnetic wireless charging solution. While this feature may not be built in, users could opt for external accessories to take advantage of this convenience. It's small details like this that show Samsung's dedication to pushing the envelope when it comes to user experience. Another exciting addition to the Galaxy S25 series is the rumored Galaxy S25 Slim. This device is expected to offer the same premium features of its bigger sibling, but a thinner, sleeker package. At less than 7mm thick, the Galaxy S25 Slim is poised to be one of the slimmest phones on the market. But don't be fooled by its slim profile. The S25 Slim will feature groundbreaking camera technology. The ALOP telephoto zoom lens, developed by Samsung's ISOC team, will allow for 3x optical zoom without compromising on image quality or size. This is a game changer for those who want high-quality zoom in a compact form factor. The ALOP lens is a revolutionary piece of tech, allowing Samsung to offer enhanced zoom capabilities in a slim, sleek design. With an f/2.5 aperture and the ability to capture brighter images in low light, the S25 Slim promises to deliver outstanding photo and video performance. This camera tech will be showcased at CES 2025, but we're expecting the Galaxy S25 Slim to make its debut later in the year, possibly at Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event. But Samsung isn't the only brand making waves. Oppo is ready to take on the Galaxy S25 Ultra with the Find X8, a device that's giving flagship phones a serious run for their money. Powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 chip, the Find X8 offers exceptional performance with gaming capabilities that rival the best on the market. What's even more impressive is its 80W fast charging, capable of fully charging the phone in just 48 minutes. And with a 5600 mAh battery, you won't need to worry about running out of juice during the day. The Find X8 is also making strides in camera technology. With triple 50MP sensors, including a Sony IMX700 sensor, Oppo is promising top-tier photo and video quality. The camera system can shoot Dolby Vision 4K videos across all lenses, including the front-facing camera, which is a first for Android. This, combined with a 3x zoom sensor that absorbs 70% more light, means you'll be able to capture better photos, even in low-light conditions. Oppo's design philosophy for the Find X8 also stands out. With a sleek, minimalist aesthetic and ultra-thin bezels, the phone is as beautiful as it is powerful. Plus, the inclusion of an IP68 and IP69 rating means that it's both water and dust resistant, making it perfect for everyday use. The Find X8 is all about delivering premium features at an affordable price, proving that you don't have to spend big to get a high-quality phone. As we head into 2025, it's clear that both Samsung and Oppo are pushing the limits of what's possible with smartphones. The Galaxy S25 series and the Find X8 are shaping up to be the ultimate rivals, each offering incredible design, performance, and camera tech. But the real question is, which one will reign supreme? Stay tuned for more updates as we dive deeper into the specs and features of these exciting new devices.